I built a multi-million-dollar company just on the topic of that time of the month. As of today, the revenue is over $22 million. Ruby Love is leak-proof underwear and swimwear for your period. It's like a reassurance. I'm gonna be okay today. I'm gonna be okay if I go in the pool. I'm gonna be okay if I go to school. I'm gonna be okay. The first period kit is my favorite product that we sell, and it's because I know that it's giving a little girl something to look forward to. It's not a box just full of period stuff, like my mother just gave me, like just go grab some pads. It's more of a box that she can look forward to, and the box looks like a box of chocolates. Like, it's just like, who doesn't love chocolate? A couple of years, I ran the company like as if it was a big corporation. I was like one person, but 40 people. I would be customer service, speaking with a customer. I was fulfillment, shipping out things. I did everything. I would make up names. So one department, I would be Felicia. Another department, I would be Jessica. Kate would be nice. And then Michelle, someone who I didn't like, would be the mean person. But not the Michelle that works for me. It's another person. In 2 years, this company went from 1 employee to over 40 employees in our own fulfillment center. It just outgrew me, it outgrew him, and then we moved into a small office in an office building, and then we outgrew that probably in like 6 months, and that's how we ended up here. This all used to be in my basement. I don't know how it was in my house, but it was. From the beginning to now, I've always used Wix, and we actually still use that same template to this day. And then as I grew, I started to use more features of Wix, adding in the tracking, printing labels, the shipping. Where I see Ruby Love going and growing is to a billion-dollar company that will be another offset of tampons and sanitary pads. My first initial was to get to 100,000. I had surpassed that. And then my next goal was to get to like 500,000, but I had went to $1.1 million. And then I went to 5.5, and then I went to a little over $10 million. None of those were my goal. My goal was just to sell some underwear. That was it.